Here we go. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I think I have a very exciting video because I want to show you guys basically how to bling out any old mirror that you have so that you can make a vanity, put it up in your room somewhere, and it can be cute. So I'm going to be using this mirror that I found. As you guys can see right here, it was $2. I found this mirror at a thrift store. Let me know in the comments if you would like to thrift with me one day. I want to do a vlog about that. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in that. So I usually find stuff that's so cheap that you can just DIY and make it look better. I brought my tripod so I can get all the angles and some of my materials from home. I'm in this warehouse-like room. This is at my university in the sculpture department, so I can use this space whenever I need to. We can just get right to it.
Madhouse.
Start with this piece of fabric that I found. Like, it's dust and wood all over this room. This is all gonna cost you less than, I want to say less than $8. So I was really lucky to find this for $2. If you want to find a cheap mirror, my recommendation is to go to a thrift store near you because they have all kind of things that are way cheaper than buying it brand new. I'm going to use 3 brushes that are slightly different just in case I need to get in some corners. This Vogue magazine, I wish I could have found one that was black, but I look for black things in magazine. I am going to just begin cutting out some more stuff. Oh, yes.
OGEbeats.com.
I got enough words just to make sure I've listed all the materials. The mirror from someplace. Paint, you can use pink, you can use white. The pair of scissors, glue, sandpaper helps smooth the edges of your mirror and you don't get your hands cut. I pushed all of my magazine cutouts out of the way. Let me see if I can find a glove. Hold on. You don't really need a glove for this step, but it can be a little irritating. Turn this over.
Purchase your tracks today.
Get dusty. Wipe off all the excess wood. I'm gonna tape these down. Just so that I don't ruin anything. Just to put some paint on paper plates, you can use that as well. I'm so glad I put that paper down. I'm just gonna spray out that. Got that on my hands. But this is what it's all about. So I'm gonna go in with this paint. Gone around the entire mirror. I've painted 2 coats of this from, oh, I just saw a spot that I missed. Now, I think the next thing is going to be going through with this glue. I'm I'm gonna go through, find the biggest pieces first and have the little things fill in around that. So like the pictures, stuff that's really big. I like this right here, how this is gonna be like right against the black. First, I am gonna try it with this. Let's see. What I do is take the art of choice and I place it down. Overall, that was a bad view probably of how to do that, but I've done the same thing over here and I've done the same thing right here. This is gonna be so cute. By the time I am done sealing all of these with glue, I can go through with my clear and I think it's gonna look great. I have some little spaces around along the sides that are still black. So I went through the magazine and found anything with these small words. And that is really gonna finish the look of this DIY mirror. So there's that. This good for extending colors, altering sheen, and adhering collages. That is what we're doing right here. I'm gonna do a layer so thick. We hope that this dries clear. Okay, so now I'm just taking this razor, going around the sides and taking off the paper that is longer than the actual border. So I'm done. It looks so good, clear. I'm really pleased with the final product. This stuff actually does dry clear. See that this is a great mirror. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what more crafts you want to see me do. If you go thrifting and you make one yourself, I would love to see your creations, things that you cut out to put on your mirror. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time with another DIY with Jania.